How will arts and culture contribute to your personal growth and future goals? Once again in English, how will arts and culture contribute to your personal growth and future goals? Sa Tagalog, paano makakatulong ang sining at kultura sa iyong personal na paglago at mga pangarap sa hinaharap?
Thank you. We all know that culture and arts mirrors values, beliefs, and community's identity. And I believe that makakatulong ito sa personal growth ko kasi alam naman nating sumasalamin ito sa ating katauhan. At naniniwala ako na sa pamamagitan ng kultura at sining, hindi lamang ito sarili ko ang matutulungan, kung hindi pati na rin ang komunidad. Yun lamang po't maraming salamat.
How will arts and culture contribute to your personal growth and future goals? Again, how will arts and culture contribute to your personal growth and future goals? In Tagalog, paano makakatulong ang sining at kultura sa iyong personal na paglago at mga pangarap sa hinaharap? Isa pa. Paano makakatulong ang sining at kultura sa iyong personal na paglago at mga pangarap sa hinaharap?
Arts and culture will always be as important as in our daily life because in every arts and culture there are great lessons from great artists, and from those lessons we learned a lot in life, and it helps me to have critical thinking, problem solving that will help me as a person in everyday lives to solve every problem with optimism. And always remember that arts and culture will always help us in all ways because there are always a lesson that we can get. Visual art, theater, or even music. Thank you.
How will arts and culture contributes to your personal growth and future goals? In Tagalog, paano makakatulong ang sining at kultura sa iyong personal na paglago at mga pangarap sa hinaharap? Again, paano makakatulong ang sining at kultura sa iyong personal na paglago at mga pangarap sa hinaharap?
Filipino culture and arts is a beautiful blend of values, identity, skills, and the creation of Filipino. For me, as a youth, it helps me to grow with my ability because it shows my uniqueness. It shows my skills to spread my responsibilities in my community. And as a youth, I believe that culture and arts is the soul of people. I stand here tonight not just to celebrate the culture and arts, but I stand here tonight not to celebrate just the culture and arts, but to ensure that it continues to thrive for more generations. And I thank you.
Thank you very much.
Arts and culture contribute to your personal goal, growth, future goals. So, ask you also in Tagalog. Paano makatulong sining at kultura sa inyong personal at paglago at mga pangarap sa hinaharap? Again, paano makatulong sining at kultura sa inyong personal at paglago at mga pangarap at mga pangarap sa hinaharap?
Thank you for that wonderful question. As an advocate for culture and arts preservation, and I believe that by being here, I can create my growth or increase my growth through joining this kind of competition like Strasuk 8 Strasuk Festival. And I'm here as a witness to the diverse culture and arts and richness in the Southern Tagalog. And because of that, I saw many cultures and arts that can be part of my history and mold my whole being. So I say, let's give our hearts to culture and arts. And I thank you.
Thank you very much to our candidate.
How will arts and culture contribute to your personal growth and future goals? Tatagalogin ko. Paano makakatulong ang sining at kultura sa iyong personal na paglago at mga pangarap sa hinaharap? Again, paano makakatulong ang sining at kultura sa iyong personal na paglago at mga pangarap sa hinaharap?
Para sa akin, makakatulong ang sining at kultura sa aking paglago sa pamamagitan ng pakikilahok sa ganitong patimpalak. Dahil simula bata ako ay mahiyain at takot na lumabas sa aming bahay. Ngunit ngayon, nandito sa inyong harapan, lumalaban at kukunin ang corona. Salamat po at maraming salamat.
Thank you very much, candidate.
Dialogue, paano makakatulong ang sining at kultura sa iyong personal na paglago at mga pangarap sa hinaharap?
I believe that as a person, we should engage ourselves into the arts of this generation and to our past culture. And we can do it in a way that we join our LGU program in implementing artistic projects so that we will be able to connect to our culture, our dances and music of our heritage. And in that way, we can connect to the personal growth that we want to achieve in life. And this is why I also believe that in order to have that personal growth, we should also practice kindness. Because kindness is our universal language. With kindness, we can promote inclusivity beyond diversity. And with that said, I also believe that we can do it in a way that we will make an inclusive environment, regardless of gender, age, and ethnicity, where all is celebrated and love will be our only culture. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, candidate number 6.
Paano makakatulong ang sining at kultura sa iyong personal na paglago at mga pangarap sa hinaharap? Paano makakatulong ang sining at kultura sa iyong personal na paglago at mga pangarap sa hinaharap?
I believe that the culture is always the soul of a country and a nation, and its art is its heart. And with this, I believe that this culture and arts allow me to know myself more with the culture and arts instilled by my parents and by my community. And we all know that once we bridge the past cultures and the modern culture, we will be able to move forward to a future innovative culture which allows growth for technology. There is also bridging the gap between preserving the culture and embracing modernity. And I believe that art is for everyone dahil naniniwala ako na ang sining at kultura ay para sa lahat at ang lahat ay para sa sining at kultura. Marami pong salamat.
Thank you very much, candidate number 7.
How will arts and culture contribute to your personal growth and future goals? Tagalog naman. Paano makakatulong ang sining at kultura sa iyong personal na paglago at mga pangarap sa hinaharap? Paano makakatulong ang sining at kultura sa iyong personal na paglago at mga pangarap sa hinaharap?
As an information technology student, I believe in the power of technology, where innovation can help us to redefine and reshape our cultural landscape. So, culture, I will use the online platform to remind me of what culture is. So I can prove
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for that question, sir. As for arts in my personal growth and in my future growth, I think that art is something that is in the eyes of the beholder. I think many of the things that we do from our day-to-day lives are considered art. For example, my future goal is to become a pilot. And one of the things that you do there is, of course, fly a plane. So when you're flying a plane around, it's an art to be able to carry that massive ton of steel and be able to fly it around the sky. So art really is everywhere, wherever we go, wherever we can see. It's just how we see things. And I think that's how art will help me as a person grow and achieve my dreams.
What are the biggest challenges you face in promoting arts and culture, and how will you address them? Do you want me to translate in Tagalog or you're fine with it? Okay.
Good evening, everyone. My teacher once said that people don't appreciate the things that they don't know. And I think that is the biggest thing that I've faced when it comes to culture and arts. A lot of people do not know culture and arts. They don't know the importance of it. But actually, I resolved this by believing in the power of education, educating myself and educating a lot of people around me. I first educate myself. I read a lot of books and cite for different information about our culture and arts. Also through education about other. If I could be given a chance, I will promote the SDG number 17, which is Partnership for Goal. I will tap different organizations, different school, and different governments so that they can know about culture and arts and also invest in the program that will celebrate culture and arts. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
What are the biggest challenges you face in promoting arts and culture, and how will you address them? Again, what are the biggest challenges you face in promoting arts and culture, and how will you address them? Tatagalogin ko. Ano ang pinakamalaking hamon na iyong kinaharap sa pagpapalaganap ng sining at kultura, at paano mo ito haharapin? Muli, ano ang pinakamalaking hamon na iyong kinakaharap sa pagpapalaganap ng sining at kultura, at paano mo ito haharapin?
We all know that it's not that easy to promote culture and art, especially in today's generation. However, as part of Sangguniang Kabataan, SK, in our barangay, I myself, we create different platforms, programs, and various campaigns in order to highlight and preserve our culture and arts. And by that, as a youth of today's generation, it is our duty to promote our identity, our cultural heritage, and preserve it towards to the next generation. Thank you. Good evening.
What are the biggest challenges you face in promoting arts and culture? And how will you address them? Tatagalogin ko. Ano ang pinakamalaking hamon na iyong kinakaharap sa pagpapalaganap ng sining at kultura? At paano mo ito haharapin?
We are now living in a modern world where technology surrounds us, and the youths or the children are constantly seeing things from our platforms. And I think our culture and arts are being mixed up. But as your next Festival Queen 2024, I would like to use this platform to use my voice and work with the Supreme Student Government to create an interactive programs where we can create activities that will increase the participation of the students. And to everyone that is listening right now, let us all continuously to learn, show, and share the rich legacy that we hold, because our culture and arts harmonizes us people. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Candidate number 3.
What are the biggest challenges you face in promoting arts and culture, and how will you address them? Sa Tagalog, ano ang pinakamalalaking hamon na iyong kinakaharap sa pagpapalaganap ng sining at kultura, at paano mo ito haharapin? Tagalog muli, ano ang pinakamalalaking hamon na iyong kinakaharap sa pagpapalaganap ng sining at kultura, at paano mo ito haharapin?
I believe that the biggest challenge that I face in promoting culture and arts is the more usage of technology. Technology has its advantages, and us people should always use these advantages to promote and conserve the culture and arts. I think that culture and arts should always be our top priority when promoting and preserving. And with this, if we give our best in promoting and conserving this culture and art, us Filipino can be a gem that will be recognized by the world, because our culture is our identity, and our identity is our treasure. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, candidate number 4.
What are the biggest challenges you face in promoting arts and culture, and how will you address them? Tagalog naman. Ano ang pinakamalaking hamon na iyong kinakaharap sa pagpapalaganap ng sining at kultura, at paano mo ito haharapin? Huli, ano ang pinakamalaking hamon na iyong kinakaharap sa pagpapalaganap ng sining at kultura, at paano mo ito haharapin?
Good evening, everyone. I think the biggest challenge that we are facing today is the modernization. But I always believe that we all have different culture and tradition and arts. And it is important for us to recognize these indifferences. Let's embrace innovation, protect tradition, and preserve our culture. And I think we can solve that by doing those things. And as a festival queen, I wanted to use this platform not just to showcase our beauty and talents, but of course, let us encourage the youth to be cooperative in preservation, conservation, and protection. And together, let us prove that we are not just a region living behind those mountains, but we have something to offer. Salamat.
Thank you very much.
Ano ang pinakamalaking hamon na iyong kinakaharap sa pagpapalaganap ng sining at kultura, at paano mo ito haharapin?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. In my perspective, our culture play a crucial role, especially in our identity. And for me, the challenges that the culture and art are facing is on how we can preserve it. And we, the youth, connect the future and the past. By honoring cultural traditions and bringing new ideas, we can contribute in preserving it. Because I firmly believe that the progress of any institution, provinces, or even region is anchored by its moral compass. We owe it to ourselves, to our nation, to uphold the value that define our identity. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 6.
What are the biggest challenges you face in promoting arts and culture, and how will you address them? Would you like me to read it in Tagalog? Ano ang pinakamalaking hamon ng inyong kinaharap sa pagpapalaganap sa pagpalaganap ng sining at kultura, at paano mo ito haharapin? Repeat it again. Ano ang pinakamalaking hamon sa inyong kinaharap sa pagpalaganap ng sining at kultura, at paano mo ito haharap?
Good evening, everyone. I believe that the biggest problem that our culture and arts is facing today is us Filipinos. As the world is constantly changing, we Filipinos forget to have an understanding or a deeper understanding in our culture. And some people think that art is just for people who are gifted and talented. But beyond that, it is something that we can learn and appreciate. And after all, if I will be crowned as the next Miss Traso Queen Festival, I believe that I can be able to use this platform, this avenue, to inspire and influence, also to educate people the importance of learning our culture and arts. And I believe that we are here sharing one common goal, and that is to elevate our culture and arts. And after all, we have one culture and arts, and we are one Southern Tagalog. Thank you, and good evening.
Thank you very much, candidate number 7.
Ano ang pinakamalalaking hamon na kinaharap mo sa pagpapalaganap ng sining at kultura, at paano mo ito haharap? Muli, ano ang pinakamalalaking hamon na iyong kinaharap sa pagpapalaganap ng sining at kultura at paano mo ito haharapin?
As a journalism student, writing is part of culture and the arts. And one of the hardships that I faced is being criticized, me writing my stories that could help people know the importance of culture preservation and art appreciation. It is really hard because some people do not believe in your capabilities, but we should always remember that through arts and culture, we can be united. Because at the end of the day, as we protect and preserve, we can be connected and make a lasting effect. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, candidate.
What are the biggest challenges you face in promoting arts and culture, and how will you address them? In Tagalog, ano ang pinakamalaking hamon na iyong kinakaharap sa pagpapalaganap ng sining at kultura, at paano mo ito haharap?
The biggest challenge that I am facing right now in promoting the culture and arts is first is the mindset of the people that in arts it is just that when it comes to arts we will not grow. But to be honest, if I will promote that and if I will address the challenge, I will continue to promote where I started, because to be honest, where I am right now is also the reason, or where I am right now is part of my culture, and that is something that I would like to address. Something that I want to address, that if ever that I would address that in culture and arts, yes, it's the mindset that we will not grow, but you know that we need to start, we need to look for the roots of ourselves, and that is something that will make us progress or develop. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 9.